Hi kids! Wow, so many fruits! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7 fruits. Our first fruit is grape. Light green color, green color. Our second fruit is banana. Light green color, light yellow color. The fruits are so colorful. Third fruit is cherry. Red color, green color.
Wow!
Our next fruit is corn. Yellow color, green color. Our fifth fruit is strawberry. The shape of a strawberry is heart. Green color, red color. What is your favorite fruit, kids? My favorite fruit is mango. And this is pineapple. Green color, yellow color. Our last fruit is lemon. Yellow color, green color. Let's join them again. Grapes. Banana. And this is strawberry.
No.
You enjoy it, kids? Corn.
Hiya!
Cherries. So today we have learned 7 fruits name. Lemon. And our last fruit is pineapple. Today we will also learn alphabets.
Wow!
So many color pens. First color is pink. Second color is green. Third color is blue. Fourth color is sky blue. Fifth color is yellow. Sixth color is red. Seventh color is purple. Eighth color is orange. And our last color, ninth color is light green. Let's write alphabet. Our first color is orange. S. S for sparrow. Sparrow is a bird. S. Blue color. T. T for tiger. Tiger is an animal. T. Yellow color. U. U for umbrella. Have you any umbrella, kids? Light green. V. V for vulture. Vulture is a bird. V. Pink color. W. W for woodpecker. Woodpecker is also a bird. W. Our next color is sky blue. A. For xylophone. Xylophone is an instrument. Red color. Y. Y for yak. Yak is an animal. Y. Our last color pen is purple. Z. Z for zebra. Zebra is an animal. Z. Now say with me, kids. S-T-U. V. W. X. Y. Z. Bye bye, kids. Keep learning and also subscribe to my channel.